Hello my YouTube friends! Do you want to use the power of OBS Studio to create live content on Facebook? Well, it's really easy and today I'll show you how to do it. So let's get to it! If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. What's your favorite social media streaming platform? Is it Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitch? Or something I didn't mention here? Let me know in the comments, and I'd love to know why you like it so much. Facebook is a popular live streaming option these days. We're seeing a lot of gamers start to use it, and of course, businesses and educators are using it to create really interactive live streams for their audiences. Unfortunately, Facebook's live broadcast studio isn't all that easy to find or navigate. Go figure. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to go live on Facebook using OBS. So in OBS, this is the easiest way to actually get to the Facebook live streaming page. You just go into settings and select stream. Then you drop down the service to Facebook Live. Make sure you have Facebook opened and then click Get Stream Key. And this will take you right to the page. You just click Create Live Stream and here you go. Next we're going to use the stream key, so all we have to do is go to the stream key here and click Copy. Then we're going to go back into OBS and we're going to paste that stream key right in here and click Apply and OK. And now we are ready to go live. You can see there's some other settings here that you can play around with if you want. You can allow viewers to rewind or not rewind. There's a lot of kind of interesting settings here. You have different chat settings with this over here on the right. Create a new room. You can add messages and all kinds of stuff with the chat. Over here on the left, you can select what game you're going to stream if you're going to be gaming. And you can change who sees your stream. You can select all kinds of different settings. Now I'm gonna go back over here into OBS. I'm just gonna create a quick scene. I don't have anything in either of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a camera. And we'll add my audio device in here as well. And there we go. And we're gonna go into the second scene and we'll add a video source possibly. I think that makes sense. We'll just throw a video in here so that we can actually see it changing scenes. One of these backgrounds in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and loop it since these clips are pretty short and click OK. There we go. Now we have a video. We can switch in between the two different scenes. So I'm just gonna click Start Streaming. And let's pop back over here into Facebook. And you can see it's streaming down here on the bottom right. And if I expand it, it brings up the whole window. It gives me all the information about my stream. And I can click the down arrow and it will bring it down. I can close my preview out if I want. And you can see that we have the Go Live Now all lit up at the top. If we go down to the bottom left and we click Go Live, then we're actually live on Facebook. Now this shows the max resolution is 720p, so even though I'm streaming in 1920 by 1080, all you're going to see is 720. You can add questions and polls to your live stream, and unfortunately, as you can see here, the max quality is 720p, which is kind of disappointing. Now these over here, this volume is so that you can hear yourself through your headphones or whatever on the stream. It is not the volume for the stream. You can drop this down to select if you want to share it or something like that. And when I click the Go Live button, it's going to prompt me to enter a title because I didn't do that. And a title is optional, but why not put one in there so people have some idea what's going on. And you can put in a description as well, and then we can go live. And it takes a moment or two for this to go live, and there we have it. Now we are live in Facebook through OBS. Just gonna adjust this and put the volume up, so there we go. We'll split the screen up, and you can see when I switch scenes, there is a few moments of latency, probably about 30 seconds. It's kind of par for the course. It's pretty much what you're gonna get on any live streaming platform. And what that really means is that whatever you do in OBS will take about 30 seconds or so to show up on Facebook. And this is not unusual. This is exactly the way that live streaming works. Unfortunately, latency is latency. And you can click the little red button down in the lower left-hand corner to end your stream. And that's pretty much it. That's how you go live on Facebook using OBS. Pretty simple. This video is sponsored by Restream.io. Restream allows you to broadcast to multiple social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitch, all at the same time, and it's super easy to set up. And if you don't want to deal with the complexity of OBS, but you still want to have a great dynamic stream, try out Restream Studio. And yes, using Restream Studio, you can still broadcast to all your favorite social media platforms at the same time. So check it out. The links are in the description. If you want to see the easiest way to add guests to your live broadcast using OBS, check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.